Attention, soldier. As the Master Chief, I know a thing or two about fighting battles. But the most important battle you'll ever fight is the battle for your own future. You may feel like you've been defeated, like you've been pushed back by the enemy forces of life. But you are not defeated. You are not broken. You are a Spartan, and Spartans never give up. Just like how we fought our way through hordes of Flood and Covenant forces to save humanity, you can fight your way through any obstacle standing in your way of going back to school. Maybe you feel like you don't have the time, or the money, or the motivation. But those are just excuses. They're like grunts, easily taken down with a single shot. You have the strength and the courage to face down any challenge that comes your way. Just like how I face down entire armies of enemies without flinching, you can face down the challenges of going back to school. It's not going to be easy, but nothing worth having ever is. You need to get back up on your feet, dust off your armor, and charge forward into the fray. You need to believe in yourself and your ability to succeed. Just like how I trust in my training and my equipment to get me through any mission, you can trust in your education and your skills to get you through any challenge. So, soldier, I'm ordering you to go back to school. Not because it's easy, but because it's necessary. Not because it's safe, but because it's the right thing to do. You have a duty to yourself and to your future to fight. And just like how I fight for humanity, you can fight for your own future. You can be the hero of your own story, the Spartan who never gave up, the one who defied the odds and came out victorious. So go forth, soldier, and fight. Fight for your education, fight for your future, and never ever give up. Because you are a Spartan, and Spartans never die.